Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So from the title, you know what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing an installation review, a quick little installation review, so you can see the hair. This is MeetuHuman, the same hair that I reviewed earlier on my channel. I'll attach a link right here at the top of this video to the right of your screen so you can see it, the review of the hair before I install it. Now this is the hair after I installed it. Guys, I am so loving this hair. It is still soft after washing it, shampooing, conditioning. It is still soft. It has a few flyaways, but it can be tamed. You can tame that with a mousse or something. I didn't use a mousse or anything. I just, I was so excited to just install the hair because I've had it like sitting around so long, and I didn't do anything to it. So I finally got the Got2b glue gel, and I used the black one. Yeah, and I didn't use a lot. I used a little because it's like, I don't really need a lot. And the hair is like, can't move. Oh my gosh. Intense. Like, this gel is like legit. But anyway, this is the hair, guys. I'm like, oh my gosh. This is the hair. It is the MeetuHuman. It's 18-inch or 16-inch closure. It's a 16-inch closure, and I have one 18-inch and two 20 inches. So yeah guys, this is the hair. This is how long it is. Remember I was telling you, let me stand up a bit. This is it. This is how thick it is. As you can see. Whew. This is how long it is, guys. This is 20 inches of hair, and 18-inch and 16-inch. Woo! It takes a lot of energy to just stand like that. But guys, this is the hair. Guys, I'm so loving this. Really, really nice, and it's still soft after me shampooing the hair and so forth. Still soft, still nice, still bouncy, as you can see. Ooh. Still bouncy. Still nice, guys. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, as you can see. Very nice. Very bouncy, very nice. Very nice. Full of body. Still nice. Remember I was like pulling it like this the last time we did it? Still, you still can run your fingers through it. Like affordable hair, guys. Very, very nice. MeetuHuman, guys. MeetuHuman, affordable bundles. I installed it and I love it. I'm not so sure about the straight hair because I don't know if the straight hair is for me. It's nice, but I'm not really sure if the straight hair is kind of for me. So I'm just gonna play with it. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of curling, flexi rod, bouncy waves. I'm just gonna play with it a little bit. Just gonna try out the straight for a bit. And yeah guys, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. But MeetuHuman, guys, very affordable, super affordable hair. I'll just leave the link for you if you want to check them out. Very nice, very soft. Look at that, guys. Very soft. Yeah, soft Brazilian bundles, guys. I tried my best. I don't know if I did a good job, but I love it. And I didn't bleach the knots because it didn't need bleaching. So yeah, I just basically tinted it with my foundation, and I'm loving how it looks, guys. I am loving it. I am loving it. So if you love this hair, guys, and you want to find details about this hair, I'm bringing to you cheap, affordable stuff in order to look really, really nice. If you want to slay but you're on a budget, yeah, MeetUhair, amazing, excellent. This is good quality hair, guys. Nice. I'm telling you, very, very nice, very nice, very affordable, good quality hair for the price. I'm telling you, it's not like, I don't want to say it's premium, like premium expensive Beyonce hair, but it's very nice. And I'm gonna give you like an updated review on the hair as soon as, you know, it gets older and I wear it and do styles and so forth. And yeah, but for now, guys, yeah, I love it. Very nice. I'm all for affordable hair. Anything affordable, you know that's me. But this hair is really nice, guys. See, I can't stop taking, you know, my hands out my hair. It's very nice. Let me show you the back so you can have an idea. This is it. This is me. Turning around. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see how I made this wig, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and share.